If you're looking to book group travel in Navan, you're in the right place. Navan, a powerful platform designed to streamline travel booking, makes organizing group trips easier than ever. Whether you're planning a corporate retreat, a family reunion, or any large-scale event, Navan has the tools you need to simplify the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to book group travel with ease using Navan, and I'll also share how you can try the software completely free through the exclusive link in the description below, so stay tuned for that. To start, Navan's user-friendly interface allows you to input your travel needs for any group size, instantly providing you with options tailored to your needs. Once you've set up your account, simply enter your group's travel details, destination, dates, and preferences, and Navan's powerful AI will generate a list of the best options for you. It's all automated, saving you the hassle of sifting through multiple booking sites. But the magic of Navan goes beyond just booking flights and hotels. The software offers advanced tools for managing expenses, tracking itineraries, and even coordinating accommodations. With Navan, you can keep your team on track by assigning tasks, managing budgets, and ensuring everyone stays informed throughout the journey. For large groups, Navan's seamless integration with travel partners ensures that you get the best rates and deals, allowing you to customize travel packages according to the group's specific needs. From corporate discounts to VIP services, Navan can negotiate for you. Plus, the platform's real-time updates help you manage any last-minute changes efficiently. Navigating group travel logistics can be complex, but Navan's intuitive dashboard takes the guesswork out of the equation. You can quickly modify plans as needed and track everyone's progress all in one place. Plus, you'll have access to a robust customer support team available to help with any questions or issues that may arise. One of the standout features of Navan is its reporting tools. After your trip, you'll have detailed insights on expenses, bookings, and itinerary efficiency, which can help you optimize future trips. It's perfect for organizations and teams who want to streamline travel management without sacrificing the experience. If you're new to the software, don't worry, it's incredibly easy to get started. With Navan, you can get started with an exclusive extended free trial just by clicking the link in the description. So if you're planning a group trip in Navan, remember, it's all about simplicity, efficiency, and cost saving. And right now, you can unlock this powerful tool for free, giving you the chance to explore all the amazing features without spending a dime. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that link below for your free trial and start booking group travel with Navan today.